Everyone goes through bouts of increased sinus pressure from time to time, some more than others. Sinus pressure symptoms can be painful and uncomfortable to deal with, and it can take a toll on your daily life. While decongestants and pain relievers can help, they often come with unwanted side effects. Why put your body through the extra trouble when this relatively harmless problem can be easily treated by alternative home remedies by using some commonly available ingredients and easy healing techniques? 1. Do steam inhalation. Dry air and dry sinuses can increase sinus pressure and lead to a headache. Steam inhalation is considered to be extremely beneficial in keeping the sinuses moisturized. Steam helps to moisten your sinus passages and thins out mucus that may have thickened over time. You can either use plain water or infuse it with herbs or essential oils to promote sinus drainage. 2. Try saline flush. Another common treatment for sinus pressure is a saline wash. Gently flushing out your nasal passages with a sterile saline solution helps alleviate the congestion by thinning and dislodging the jammed mucus. Moreover, it increases the moisture in your nostrils, which in turn helps reduce the inflammation or pressure on your blood vessels. 3. Proper hydration. Whenever you suffer from sinus pressure or nasal congestion, keeping your body optimally hydrated acquires even greater importance. Proper hydration helps keep the mucous membranes in the sinuses adequately lubricated, thus helping dislodge the mucus more readily. On the other hand, insufficient fluid intake can cause dehydration and ultimately lead to thickening of the mucus, which then becomes too consolidated for proper drainage. 4. Cayenne pepper, a natural decongestant. Cayenne pepper is another good remedy to relieve sinus pressure. Being a natural decongestant, it helps loosen mucus and promotes sinus drainage. The natural chemical, capsaicin, in cayenne pepper helps relieve the swelling and inflammation that is narrowing your nasal passages. Add a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper powder to 1 cup of boiling water. Sip a cup of this tea a few times a day. 6. Use eucalyptus essential oil. Eucalyptus oil can help relieve sinus congestion. Possessing strong anti-inflammatory and decongestant properties, this natural tonic may be what you need to get rid of sinus pressure. Add a few drops of eucalyptus essential oil to hot water and inhale the steam. Repeat the process a few times until you get complete relief. 6. Raise the humidity. Increasing the humidity in your home or the room in which you sleep can aid in sinus drainage and thus help in reducing sinus pressure. The sinuses need a moist, warm environment to function properly. Moist air can soothe irritated tissues and swollen blood vessels in your nose and sinuses. 7. Massage therapy. To aid sinus drainage and reduce sinus pressure, massaging the nostrils is a simple yet a highly effective remedy. Massage improves circulation to the area, helping thin out the mucus and facilitating its movement out of the sinuses. This is perhaps one of the most hassle-free ways of getting quick relief from sinus pressure.